Hi, I'm Lindsay.
I'm Jack.
And I'm Abby. And welcome to PSTS, Physics Sports Talk Show.
Today we will break down the sport of lacrosse.
Now Lindsay will explain the first relationship between physics and lacrosse.
96 miles an hour is an extremely hard shot. Stop embarrassing yourself.
The lacrosse player shooting the ball on goal is demonstrating Newton's first law of motion. An object in motion will stay in motion unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. In this case, the force making the ball come to a stop is the wall. When the ball was shot, it traveled at 96 miles per hour, which is also 41.91 meters per second. The mass of a lacrosse ball is 147 grams, or 0.147 kilograms. It took 0.47 seconds for the ball to hit the wall once it was released. We took Newton's second law and found out the acceleration is 91.32 meters per second squared. We then solved for the force by using the formula force equals mass times acceleration, and that came out to be 6.31 newtons.
This is the lacrosse player, and this is the path of the ball. The ball is traveling at 96 miles per hour, or 42.92 meters per second. The mass of the lacrosse ball is 147 grams. The time that it took for the lacrosse ball to hit the wall was 0.47 seconds. Here we use the formula A equals delta V over delta T. So we took 42.92 and 0.47 seconds, and that equaled 91.32 meters per second squared. For force, the force equation is force equals mass times acceleration. The mass of the ball, like I said before, was 147 grams, or 0.147 kilograms. The force equals 13.42 newtons. And a newton is equal to a kilogram meter per second squared. Now Jack will explain the third law of motion and how it relates to lacrosse.
This video demonstrates Newton's third law of motion. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. This lacrosse player is moving at a fast speed towards another lacrosse player. He hits the other lacrosse player, and for this action, the equal and opposite reaction is that the player rebounds backwards.
Hi, I'm Lindsay.
I'm Jack.
And I'm Abby. And thanks for watching PSTS, Physics Sports Talk Show.
We hope you learned a lot about physics today.